There's so much more freedom when you're using XMPie.
What XMPie StoreFlow has done for us is made it unique. Over the last few years, since I've launched this business, we have been in growth every single year. We got through COVID with growth, and a lot of that was to do with changing what our clients are looking for. So we moved their businesses online, and that's how we managed to get through COVID and came out stronger and a bigger business than we did at the beginning.
XMPie has opened up a lot of different opportunities for us because we are so future focused and making automation a really big part of our business and introduced it into their business. And it's been then a platform for us to have additional conversations where it's went from like one being about automating the print to actually this is how we can support your business in a lot of different ways.
It's made a massive difference to my business and myself.
When we first engaged with Yellow Slate Design, it was clear that they were very creative in what they offered, but the challenge really was scalability because of the repetition that they had with all of the work they were doing. And so it was pretty clear very quickly that the automation that we could offer would be a perfect fit to help them, to buy them more time to be able to do different things and to diversify and to help grow their business.
We're offering the gift of time to our clients. They no longer need to order massive quantities and everything can be really personalised, and that is something that as everybody's like over advertised to, there's so much consumption, whether it's print or digital, there's just so much for people to take in that basically it gives you an advantage where using XMPie can talk to somebody directly rather than talking to them as a group, which has been really beneficial for us as a business.
The clients can go on there, if it's a repeat order, they can go on there and do it themselves. They then get invoiced themselves, they pay online, it's all automated.
Because there's less repetitiveness, it basically means that you are almost, as a designer, able to reach back into that creativity box a lot faster. So I think that's definitely one of my favourite things about using XMPie.
We're getting back to having relationships with businesses. We're seeing this as if your business grows, our business grows, so it's in our benefit to have that 20-minute conversation chatting to you about why have you not tried this, or have you seen how other businesses are doing this in your area and you could be doing the same, and we've seen this online. So I think our clients are just more happy now than they've ever been because they're getting more out of us than they've ever had.
Yellow Slate Design is a great example of a really forward-thinking, very creative bunch that have really understood the value and the future of print as part of the mix of other services that they offer. And really good example of how a small business can embrace software as a way of transforming the business to provide better efficiency, more revenue and more print volume generation.
This has actually taken the workload off of me, but I've now gone and taken in more workload where we've now doubled the amount of staff we've taken on, and we're all working to now take on more next year because we can already see the potential of where this has taken us.
The print industry has many users of our software, and for those that really get it and embrace it, it's that opportunity to expand, to be able to diversify into completely new products and make print more relevant and provide direction, future-proof their businesses.